Hey everybody, John Bead just came out with the most beautiful sets of beads inspired by each planet. How can I describe them? They are simply out of this world. Let's see what beautiful things we can make with them. Here they are, John Bead's solar system strands. This cosmic collection is a stunning array of semi-precious glass and metal beads inspired by the wonders of our solar system, and each strand is a tribute to each planet plus the sun, moon, and a comet. I'm starting out with one of the Venus strands and some finer gold chain from a chain and finding set. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my chain at 2.5 inches, 2 inches, 1.5 inches, and 1 inch, and then I'll pick my beads. Next, add a head pin to a bead, clip it if you need to, and then bend it as close to the hole as you can with flat nose pliers. With round nose pliers, create a loop, but don't close it. Thread on your chain and then close the loop and your first piece is ready to go. Continue with the same process for the other 3 beads. Hang the 4 chains on a small jump ring. I'm starting with the 2-inch chain first and then hanging the star because it just hangs better. Now add an earring wire and you're done. When I was looking at the other strands of Venus beads, I saw a different star and decided to switch out the stars. Now on to making the necklace. Same technique with 4 different strands of chain and beads, but this time instead of attaching the strands to an earring wire, we're going to hang them from a center bead with a jump ring and then attach the center bead to gold chain. Add a closure and you just made a beautiful set of Venus-inspired jewelry. I've always been obsessed with the moon, so next I'm going to create a phase of the moon inspired necklace using strands of chain and a crossbar. First I picked out my beads and laid them out. I cut my chains to size and then added each bead to a chain with a head pin and my flat and round nose pliers. Using a long piece of silver wire, I bent a loop at the end and started adding my beads. I used the smaller beads as spacers and they worked perfectly. I added the spacers, the chains, and then clipped and added another loop at the end. Then I just added my chain and a closure, and I was done. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like my video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link to that below as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.